thinking about buying an older home but worry about surprise maintenance cost? You're not alone. When you buy a home, especially one with a bit of history, it is smart to budget for future upkeep. Here is the good news. There are ways to plan ahead so you're never caught off guard. First up is home inspection is your best friend. Before closing, make sure you get a comprehensive inspection to identify any potential red flags. Think of it as your maintenance roadmap. This report can highlight major systems like the roof, HVAC, and plumbing, letting you plan for what might need attention first. Next, consider setting up a home maintenance fund. Aim to save up 1 to 2% of the home's value annually for repairs. This fund is your safety net for the unexpected, making surprise repairs manageable instead of stressful. And don't forget, upgrades can actually save you money in the long term. Replacing an old HVAC, for example, can reduce energy bills, and a new roof can mean peace of mind during storm seasons. Want more tips on budgets for maintenance or choosing the right home for your future needs? Hit the link below to schedule a consultation. Let's make sure your dream home stays that way for years to come. Bye for now.